Hello everyone, Phil Todd here. I'm the director of Guardians of Loch Ness, and I am delighted to say that our Kickstarter campaign has been successful. The last time we did this, I celebrated by running into Loch Ness.
That's cold.
I think I'm still recovering, so I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to stay nice and warm and dry and just say from my heart, thank you so much to everyone who has dived in there and backed us and made this possible. We now have the resources we need to finish this film, and we actually raised more than our funding goal. So that means some of the things that were on my wish list can now be moved to the to-do list. And as well as the funding, we've also just got the word out there to hundreds of people that this film, Guardians of Loch Ness, is coming. And so that's very exciting. So let's go, let's finish this movie.